Now I'm going to explain a little bit of what the statistics of Reverb Nation actually mean. So if you go to on your profile, the Administration Tools button at the top, it's going to open up Content Summary and Fan Summary page. Now you can go into Open Stats, and it's going to give you an in-depth analysis, where you have your score of comparing you to other bands. You can specifically see how many people and where they visit your site from, or which links are bringing them to your site. Out of the songs you have, you can see how many times each song has been played since it's been up, and the percent of the length of that song that's been played. And then it graphs it out at the top to show, based on where you have your information, who's playing it. Then you have your listeners, which gives you the most recent people and how many times they've listened to your different songs. You have your fans, which tell you who's your fans, where they are, their different demographics, etc. You have your promotion team, who's your promoters. And then probably the most important one is your widgets and your banners, which is going to show you where your widgets are placed, who's looking at them, how many of them are actively being looked at, how many of them are working, and so forth. And it really does truly help you see and learn from your marketing so that you can market more efficiently in the future.